No spoon that can help you also, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Figurine and pebbles.
Okay, pebbles, then soil. Yes, put all the soil. Yeah.
Soil.
You want to bring?
Put
Table.
all the soil.
Then
Brown na
add
sibuyas.
on top of the table is the soil.
Pwede tangan na display ko yun.
And then
Yeah, some people not ready yet. Okay, wait for me, don't rush ahead, okay?
Sorry, ma'am.
You just wait for everybody. Okay? Okay? Everybody okay with the soil?
then
Yes!
spoon.
Okay, now,
press.
ayo, don't call me mom, please. Okay,
Hinay na ako. Hindi ko padungog. Okay.
okay, now you use your spoon. Now, don't use this part of the spoon. Use the behind part of the spoon, okay? To make a little hole like this in the center.
Okay.
Okay? Don't poke through the pebbles, just the soil part. You just dig a little bit, push the soil to the side so you have a little hole. And then you take the plant carefully out.
Saba, lagi
Then
na rin
shake off the
kalimutan.
excess soil. Okay? No need to like super clean. Just shake out all in whatever you can lightly shake off, you just shake off. Then you plant your
Plant.
the roots into the hole. Never say plant the plant, so silly. Okay. Okay. So then you put the plant like that. Okay, the roots part into the hole. Then you just use your soil to cover up.
Set body upside down.
Okay? Okay. So no need to rush.
Buhi ka na siya.
Bawag ka buhi na.
Then
Dako ni siya. Oy.
Hindi ako lagi dagko mo ba ito?
Wala sa
Patungan sa Prado.
okay.
Yay!
Everybody got your plant in?
Yay!
Yes. Okay, good. Now,
Naibot.
yeah, this part is the fun part. Okay. Now you can add your sheep and your pebbles for decoration. So the white color stones, this one, okay, and the small packet of the bigger stones. Okay, so you put the white color one first, all around. Then after you can use the bigger ones to decorate. And then after you can put your sheep also. Then,
Okay, tanong. Sabi ko kita mo, tanong sheep.
What's next? This one.
my plant is down.
Yeah. Yeah. Like.
Te, ginalingan ko te dito te.
Please don't eat this one. Oh.
Ginalingan ko te. Dito te. Yan, ginalingan ko.
Yeah, the white color one first. Then, yeah, you put it all around. Use your spoon to help you to spread. Then after you can use the bigger pebbles and put your like the sheep. Decorate it however you like, huh?
Make sure you can feed your sheep.
Don't kill me.
Ibenta namin.
Ang cute lagi mo ship yan.
Malalaman mo rin yan.
Okay?
Huwag niyong ihawid niya na pag wala kayong ulam. Sarah, remind us that we will not slaughter the sheep if we don't have.
The sheep. Because the good shepherd already feed you until like that. Provided for you.
In times of crisis, we have to slaughter this.
Okay? Okay, once you are done with the decoration, then all you have to do is put the cover back on. Close the lid. Okay, so this way you don't rush, huh?
Sobra man yung... Ano si Mr. Bean ang yung...
What happened?
Tulon ko di karon kay dako.
Ano man eh? Tapaw.
Why ayaw ninyo
It's
imo
very
lugod?
interesting. Everybody has a different way of putting the sheep. Some put under the plant like eat shade like that. Some looking up like looking into the heaven. Yeah. Some looking down like maybe need to eat grass or what.
Full ship.
Your kitchen.
Why it's so
Okay, if you find that your part is falling down, it could be that your hole for the soil part is not deep enough. So you just make it a little deeper, and it should be able to stand.
it.
Okay? And
Di mo na mautingog sa ship.
Ah, just now.
Eating
My ship is eating the plant.
Oh, so cute.
Yeah, it's blue one. He's eating the plant.
The sheep is a
Feeding.
boy. It's a boy.
Yeah.
Male.
Yun blue.
Ours is a
Can change.
Thank you. Yeah, happy.
Pwede man na
Yeah, I like blue.
cheese. Ganahan ko ng blue.
Yeah, thank you.
Do you want brown?
So many color.
Because I like blue.
Too bad I like blue.
It's so much fun.
Yay!
But I cannot close it. Oh no.
okay,
I think my flower too deep already.
too deep.
Pero,
Pink color.
yours one, your left one.
don't worry.
Look at that. The empty tomb.
But wait, I cannot.
Now it's alive. There's life and the empty dark tomb.
As long as the
Do you need help?
My one is very tall.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, that's okay.
Hindi man siya nasara.
Baka naipit ang dahon.
Bulak man.
Daw.
Don't break it. Bailo jud ta.
Hindi ka siya malak.
Diba?
Pero kanina,
Okay man.
kailangan mo lang i-press.
It's nice. Thank you. Nice.
Namurder.
Ate na pa yung muyo ba? Wala mo tiwas.
May yuta pa.
No? Very hard.
Wala siya nag-post. Meron na ako
Ooh, thank you. Uy, asa mo nila katubang akong shoe.
Yes!
Not yet.
Show me the ship.
Dede.
Dili na rin katubang na gawin mag-home.
Ano ni siya no? Nang
Kaya idaunin doon yung plant. Taas.
Nice ang aking plants. Buhay na buhay.
Kaya gamay ko ay.
ano nang buhusan mo siya no? Nang bisbisan.
Spray lang.
Spray.
Spray lang.
Pero hindi permanent.
Anyone else?
You just spray when you put so that it will grow.
Oh, really ah?
Okay, please. While we are waiting.
Ulit. Grabing takbo niya.
Baliktad ba jud ana dito. So busy abi.
Yes. Nice. There's a ship
Ay
inside.
di ko kay baka di
The
maibot
empty
niya.
tomb.
Dili siya
They have
pakasol.
light.
Anak na lang.
Mayabo man ang niya.
Happy Easter Sunday.